Hello children, today we will learn about animal sounds. Cow. Sound of cow is moo, moo. Dog. Sound of dog is bark, bark. Lion. Sound of lion is roar, roar. Cat. Sound of cat is mew, mew. Pigeon. Sound of pigeon is coo, coo. Hen. Sound of hen is cluck, cluck. Elephant. Sound of elephant is trumpet, trumpet. Frog. Sound of frog is croak, croak. Wolf. Sound of wolf is howl, howl. Crow. Sound of crow is caw, caw. Pig. Sound of pig is oink, oink. Monkey. Sound of monkey is gibber, gibber. Sheep. Sound of sheep is bleat, bleat. Snake. Sound of snake is hiss, hiss. Camel. Sound of camel is grunt, grunt. Bear. Sound of bear is growl, growl. Sparrow. Sound of sparrow is twitter, twitter. Horse. Sound of horse is neigh, neigh. Donkey. Sound of donkey is bray, bray. Zebra. Sound of zebra is whinny, whinny. Rat. Sound of rat is squeak, squeak. Tiger. Sound of tiger is roar, roar. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.